Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is Deepa. So I am a beauty influencer and a fashion designer from Hyderabad, India. So if you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel to help me reach 10,000 subscribers. That during the COVID lockdown, nor online shopping, nor courier services, nothing was working. So whatever I got sent in the PR or whatever I shopped in, previously and Nykaa hauls, if you see, those were the only products that I had. So I decided that it is a good time that I complete all of these products and I can do a product empty video later on. So whatever you see is, a lump sum of products, but I have divided, all of the products in hair, makeup and skincare. Trust me, skincare is so much. So I decided first I will show all the skincare products to you guys, and if you want to skip to makeup or hair, I'm going to put the timeline so that you can directly skip to those parts. Also today I am shooting in my new ring light, which a new video is coming soon. Stay tuned for that. I think that's it for the intro, so we are going to get into the video. First off, I'm going to also give a mini review so that this video doesn't get too long. And trust me, there are a lot of products. If you know me, I love toners, like I really love toner. So as soon as I wash my face, the first thing that I do is tone my face. So I'm going to show all of the toners. Some of them I got sent in PR and some of them I purchased very long ago. This lockdown was very good in helping me complete all of these products. I focused that I'm going to complete all of the stock that I have and I'm going to move on to the new products. In my purple haul, you must have seen these Good Vibe toners that I was showing to you guys. So I completed these all. So these are very good if you're traveling as well. They are just 50 ml. So you can just put it in your purse and you can carry them anywhere, and they're very convenient. They are so good. So I'm just going to tell you guys what is my favorite in this variants. I also have a 3-4 of them which I'm currently using. So these are all the empties, so you can even keep these spray bottles if you want. So first off is this basil one. I really like this. I highly recommend you guys to get it. And the second one is this lemongrass one. This one I didn't like a lot. You can also see a little bit is left. This one I am neutral about it. I didn't like it that much and I don't hate it as well. And the next one is this peppermint one. It has peppermint. It kind of instantly refreshes your skin. If you want an instant freshness, then this is very good, but the basil one is very good. So the next one I also love is this Jove's toner. I love this toner. This is a cucumber toner. I recommend you guys to get it. I also already got a restock of this, which I'm going to show in my other hauls. So stay tuned for that. I have a huge haul coming up. I don't want to do this time like Nykaa Purple, multiple videos. I'm going to club them and do one single video. I also have from various different brands. So this one I highly recommend you guys. I even made many of my friends to buy this and even they loved it as well. The moment that you put this, you will feel like you actually, the real cucumber juice is on your face. That's the kind of freshness you feel. During the summer months, I put this in my refrigerator so that I can use it chilled. So that is another tip that I have for you guys. So this is for all skin types. Everybody can use this. And this came good like 1.5 years. It came very long time. So this is an Indian brand and I highly recommend you guys to support our Indian brand. Watch my Innisfree clay mask video, which I'm going to link in the I option. Receive these with the set by buying that, actual clay mask. I love that clay mask. So I actually completed that and I don't have it right now, but you can definitely check it out if you want to clean your pores. So I highly recommend this. I love it. So those were all of the toners that I completed. Now I'm going to show all of the face washes that I completed. I'm going to tell a yes or no if you can buy it or not buy it. So coming to the first face washes, these are by Good Vibes, and the first one is this Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Deep Cleansing Face Wash. I am neutral about this. I didn't like it that much. So will I buy it again? No, I will not buy it again, because you also get it in this pump format, but I do not like it because I felt that it didn't do justice or it doesn't do what it says. So this is a no from me. I'm not going to buy this. The next one is Cherry Blossom one. Even this one I'm neutral. I don't hate it. I don't love it, but it's okay. If you have sensitive skin, I highly recommend you guys to buy this because it is very good for sensitive skin. And if you want a mild face wash, then definitely you can go for this. So coming to the next face washes. So this is by, I think this is by Alps Goodness. This one I did not like it at all because it does nothing. So this is a no from me. So this has green apple. What is the point of a face wash if it cannot remove your dirt on the face? So this one you can see there is still left. I'm using this to clean my makeup brushes, somehow completing it. So if you have any face washes that you cannot use, you can use it to clean your makeup brushes. And coming to another one which I did not like. So this is by Aroma Magic. It is their activated charcoal face wash. I completed this. Even this one I did not like it at all because it does nothing, absolutely nothing on your skin. It even doesn't foam up, so that it can clean dirt on your face. There are other face washes which I like from Aroma Magic, but it is definitely not this. This face wash, I already restocked it. This one is so good, so good. I highly recommend you guys to get this. So this is by Everyuth Naturals. I don't know why I completely forgotten this brand, and I randomly, last year I think I ordered this because I wanted to try. It has apple and this is so good. So every day morning in my morning routine before I go for my workout, I use this face wash and I really loved it. So the next one, you guys know how I'm addicted to Face Shop. I spoke in so many of my videos that I'm addicted to Face Shop products. So you can see how much, I love them. But this time, the last time I got all of the variants so that I can try and, check which works for my skin. So I'm going to tell you guys what I feel about, each of these products. This lasts for so long. This is for 300, but when you buy it, it comes easily for 6 to 9 months. That's how much product you get. Guys can use these face washes and I really love them. So first one is this Right Spotter Foaming Face Wash. This is a total yes from me. So once I complete this video, I'm going to cut this and use it up completely. But in the winter months, I do not use this because it makes your skin a bit dry. It's not like too much. Obviously, when you apply moisturizer, you can calm it down. But for the other months, apart from the winter months, as a dry skin person, this is totally a steal. Even guys can use this because, guys roam a lot in the pollution and they drive bike and all of that. So for them, this is a total yes. So the next face washes are these cleansing foams. This one, I love it so much. It's currently out of stock on Nykaa and I just messaged them and they told me that it's coming very soon. I really love it. This one is like in my top 5. I would put this in the first spot or second spot between 1 and 2. So this is how much I love this. So for a dry skin person, this is like a golden foam. It has aloe vera and it is very good. Once I complete this video, I'm going to cut it and use it up. Even oily skin people can use this. And the next one is this peach one. So this one I'm neutral. I don't think I'll buy it again. It is not bad, but for my skin type, I think it didn't suit so well. Like I didn't get any breakouts or anything of that sort, but I felt like it didn't suit me that much as I wanted it. So this one I don't think I'm going to buy again. So the next one is this Moong Bean face wash. This one out of 10, I think I would give a 8.5. I spoke a lot like in my videos, but once I got aloe vera and I started using this, like I am not liking this that much like I used to like before. So I would rather buy 2 of aloe vera and skip this completely. So this is also very good. You can definitely get it and check it out how it suits your skin type. To facial oils. So I completed 3 facial oils, one of which has, ruined. I have oxidized it. So this is by NY Bay and it has vitamin C. So you can see I've oxidized it. So the moment when you open a vitamin C serum, it has to be white and ensure that you do not store it in sunlight. It has to be away from sunlight because it oxidizes. I'll just open and show this to you guys how it has oxidized. I just wanted to show you guys. So it has turned brownish color. You can see you have to not use this. It has to go in the bin. I actually opened it and I used it 4-5 times and I completely forgot about it. I do not like this. I got sent, in my PR, the Scent Botanica one. I'm going to leave a link to even that as well. You get it in Amazon. That is like bomb. That is a total yes from me. This one I don't think I'm going to buy again because I felt this too diluted. Obviously for the price, this price is very less. I felt it too diluted and I don't think I'll buy it again. So do not oxidize your vitamin C serum. That's a tip from me. So this one I really love it. So this is by Dot & Key. It is the night repair serum. Oh my god, this is so good. This, overnight it does a very good job. But one issue that I have is that the quantity you get for the price is very less. But I can understand, because the product is very good. So I highly recommend you guys to get it try it once. This is like so good, so good. It is a must have in your vanity. Only get 15 ml of product, but I can understand why. It came for me only good, I would say 30 days along with my other night serums. But I totally love it, and I'm going to restock it once I complete all of my other night serums. I'm definitely going to use this. Face serum that I've completed is by Nykaa. It's their apricot cold pressed oil. I freaking love this. You know, I really recommend you guys to get it. This one is very, very, very good. If you can skip on the apricot scrub, you know, because of the new trend, you know, to avoid any scrub that has walnut or apricot in it, but you can definitely get this face oil. Since it is a cold pressed oil, you need not, you know, mix with an essential oil. You can directly use this. So this one is a total yes for me. I highly recommend you guys to get it. Okay, so another one that I've completed, this I got in PR from Kaya Clinics. So this one is very, very, very good. So if you want some glowing, you know, like brightening of your skin, it doesn't mean, you know, change your skin tone. I nowhere endorse that. I think we all should be, you know, comfortable in our own skin. But if you want a glow from within, then definitely you should check this out. So this one I really love. So if you're someone who has a lot of acne scars, then definitely you have to check this out. I already have a restock of this, and you will see the results in within 2-3 uses. I had a lot of acne scars in, you know, way back in January, February. So this really helped me, you know, come out of that acne scars. So in scrub, even this I got sent in PR. So this is the Scent Eve's Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. I know many people do not like the, you know, concept of the walnut scrub and the apricot scrub because they feel that it creates micro tears in your skin. I say a no for walnut, but apricot, this one I really liked it, but I use it only weekly once, and I didn't frankly feel any harm or, you know, getting breakouts or anything of that sort. So you can definitely buy this, and obviously I have a bigger size one. Let me know what are your thoughts on apricot scrub. I know we shouldn't use because it creates micro tears, but it also depends on the sensitivity of your skin. So it just blindly you cannot ignore. Walnut, even Kylie Jenner has done it. So I do not support walnut scrub because no matter how fine you grind it, you know, the granules, you know, do cause micro tears. But apricot, this one I really like, and even made my skin, you know, brighter. But it also depends on how, you know, harshly you do. You shouldn't do harshly. You should do gently and just rinse it off. You will definitely, you know, the dead skin, you can definitely see a change. So I'll show you 2 under eye creams which I've completed. I think from 2 years ago or something like that, I've started using under eye creams, and I've seen a hell lot of change in my skin, you know, under eyes, the way they are now. So I highly recommend you guys to use an under eye cream, and I'm going to put links to the favorite ones that I like. So I really love the one by Scent Botanica. So it contains even hyaluronic acid. So I received that in PR, and I really love it, and I highly recommend you guys to even try that as well. So the first one that I completed, even this I received in PR. So this is Urban Botanics Under Eye Cream. This one is very, very, very good. So I completed this. You can see it's completely empty right now. It's available on Nykaa. Not Nykaa, I think it's available on Amazon. And this one is made out of glass. So it's not plastic as well. Tip I want to give you all is, do not store this near the sun. You know, no sunlight should hit this, otherwise this melts away. So ensure that you do not do that. So the next one I have is this Biotique Bio Almond Soothing and Nourishing Eye Cream. This one I do not like at all because it burns your eyes. I spoke about this. It does its job, but it burns your eyes. You know, you feel like removing it off. I do not like this. I even stopped using it. You can see some product is there. I even stopped using it. I think I'm done. I'm just going to throw it off. Actually, I was using this, and Urban Botanics sent me this eye cream, and I started using this eye cream, and I just stopped using this eye cream. And once I received the Scent Botanica under eye cream, I started using that. I'm going to put a clip right here what it is so that you can know. I really love that under eye cream, and I use that in the morning and also in the night. So that is my favorite one. So these are the 2 under eye creams that I completed. Now coming to one face mask that I completed. If I complete some product, I'm so happy, you know, finally I've completed. And during the lockdown, you know, it kind of helped me complete all of the products because, you know, I was just, you know, piling up and receiving everything, but I was not completing anything. So I completely finished up this one. This is the Activated Charcoal Deep Cleansing Face Mask. Oh my god, this is so good, so good. Also, the quantity is not large, instantly brightens your face. I really love this. I highly recommend you guys to get this. So, if you want something in activated charcoal face mask, if you're also having open pores like me, then definitely you should get this. And even as a dry skin, this is very good. Issue with activated charcoal is that when you apply it, your face gets dry. But with this, you'll not have that issue. I always used to use this once I'm back from the gym. I used to apply this so that all of the sweat and all of that which is on my face kind of goes away. So this one I'm going to restock once I complete all of the masks that I have right now. So now we are stepping into the body section. So in the body section, I'm just going to show, I think in my shampoo routine, I told that, how much I love shower gels. And I ask you guys to use a shower gel, if you want, glowing body. So I'm going to first speak about the body scrub that I completed. There is just little left so that I can show you guys. I just left little. So this is by Original Source and it is the Daily Scrub Tea Tree. It is so good. Even it smells so good. So it contains tea tree obviously, and I don't use tea tree on my face because I'm dry skin. Tea tree is for oily skin people. But this one, it didn't make my skin dry. It is very, very, very good for body. This is very, very good. I'm not sure in which website did I get it. I have to survey it a bit and I'm going to put the link in the description box. You can definitely check it out. So I completed 3 shower gels and I'm going to tell which one I like. So first one what I completed is by Alps Goodness. You can see completely I used it up. It is the Jasmine variant. This smells amazing. I think even in my shampoo routine I use this. I'm definitely buying this again. I really love this and I'm restocking it once I complete my shower gels. So this is the Jasmine variant and I highly recommend you guys even to get it. And this one as well, I just left little so that I can show the product to you guys. And this is the Palmolive Thermal Spa Skin Renewal. You can see it has coconut and jojoba butter. So this is so good, so good. So it has coconut. So if you're someone who is dry skin, so this kind of even nourishes, like you need not apply a body lotion later. That's the kind of feeling you'll get. So I highly recommend you guys to get this. This one is a total yes. I think Palmolive makes amazing shower gels and this is one of those. So highly recommend you guys. So the next one that I love is this Nivea shower gel. It has water lily and oil. Even this, once you use it, you need not apply a body lotion. You feel like you're moisturized. So I also received a free loofah with this. This is a bit on the expensive side compared to those two. So these were all of the 3 shower gels that I completed. So with this, we completed the body section. So in makeup, if I generally complete something, I'm very, very, very happy because how hard it is to hit a pan in eyeshadow or complete a foundation. Then it shows that you have actually completely used that product. So the first off that I've completed is the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation. So only one more time this is going to come and it's done. So I really, really love this. For someone who suffers with open pores like me, this is like golden foundation. So the one that I use is 230. So this is my shade. So it is fair plus you can see it has yellow undertone. I really love this Maybelline foundation. So I also completed 2 mascaras. So I'm going to tell you what I feel about it. So the first one is this Faces mascara. I do not like this. But if for everyday if you want to use, you can definitely get this. If you do not want too much residue in your eyelashes, you can definitely get this. Will I restock it? No. I rather love my Lotus mascara the most. And the Evergreen, Maybelline Lash Sensational. The issue that I have with this is that with the makeup remover, it does not go. With face wash, it does not go. It just stays on your lashes. And for 2-3 days, it has residue. So I stopped using this from then. I don't think I'll buy it again. I really love this, but I do not want the residue. I do not want my makeup to be for 2-3 days. This is a no from me. I mean, it is good, but I don't want to restock because of the residue. So that's a no from me. I love my Lotus mascara the most. So I completed this nail polish. So this is by Faces and I really love this shade. Whenever I wore this, many of them asked me and I'll tell you the shade number. This is the shade Ballerina 201. But my favorite formulation of a nail paint is by Meena and also by TS Beauty. So I love their formulation. I also love L18. I don't think I'll buy it again. So another glitters that I completed, actually this got expired, so I don't want to continue using them. So a brand sent me these glitters and I don't think I'm going to use them again. So I'm done, like I don't want to use it. I don't know when did I receive also. It's been good 3 years and I don't think I'm going to use it. I am just, discarding it. Okay, there is one more. So I'll just show you all of those 4. So these 4 I'm not going to use them. I'm just discarding. Discarding makeup is, it's very hard for a person who loves makeup. So, but I don't want to use. I don't want allergy to my eyes. I don't want any of those. And another, unfortunately, the expiry to this is done. I really love this LA Pro Girl concealer, but I think it works better for oily skin person. Being a dry skin, it made my skin, matte, which I do not want because my skin is already so dry. So I don't think I'll use this. I love the Maybelline concealer. Also got a couple of other new concealers which I'm going to show in my coming videos. So stay tuned for that. And I don't think I'll buy this again. So you know me how much I love like winged eyeliner. So I completed this one. This is by Maybelline. It is their Glitz Ink Hyper eyeliner. I love this. So I was bored of black eyeliners and I decided I'll try, blue, green and all of those. So I love the one by Lakme. So many of them bought. Once I wore that, I'm going to put a picture right here so that you can check it out. That liner is very good, but for everyday obviously you cannot wear a blue eyeliner. This one is that perfect, dark blue and in middle of that black and blue. This is that eyeliner. Will I buy it again once I complete using all of my other eyeliners? Definitely I'll buy this. So the next one I've completed is this Maybelline Age Rewind. Actually the expiry date is done. That's why you can see a little of the, there in the bottom. Will I buy this again? This is a holy grail product and everyone loves this, because it comes with this cushion and every blogger, every influencer love this concealer. Will I buy it again? Yes, I will, but once I complete my concealers, which I already have in stock. So once I complete that, I definitely will buy this. So one more product by Maybelline that I have is expiry of this is also done and I want to just throw it away. I do not want this. So this is Maybelline's Cushion Foundation. This was very good, I think 2-3 years ago I was using this a lot because it comes with a sponge, you can definitely use this to blend your foundation. It even has a mirror, you can see. I think the expiry is done and I just want to throw it away. I feel like it's contaminated. That's the kind of feeling I'm getting. So I just want to throw this away. Now is the last product in the makeup, section. So this is the Color Bar Primer. So even this expiry is done, but there is hardly anything left. It is still of, I think only this much is left. I think I'm done. The expiry is done. I will just throw this away. I used this like a lot 2-3 years ago, but later on, I didn't use this that much. So I think I'm just going to throw this away because I feel when the expiry is done. The expiry date is May 20. It's done. Like I just want to throw it away. When I was, arranging all of my beauty products and all, that's when I've seen that, I checked all of the expiry dates and I've removed everything which has crossed the expiry dates. For makeup, please do not use anything. For makeup or skincare, please do not use anything after expiry date. Please throw it away. I like this primer. Will I buy it again? No. Coming to the hair section, so many of them ask me what hair products I use. So I use very little products for my hair and some of them which I show are holy grail products and they work very good on your hair. So the first product that I completed is my Kadi Tulsi hair oil. I have 2 of this in restock. That's how much I love this. So if you want to know my hair oil routine, I'll put in the I option. Please do check it out. I love this hair oil. I in fact made almost 20-30 people of my friends buy this and even they loved it as well. So I highly recommend you guys to get it. I already have 2 of this in the stock. So this is a total yes from me. So the next off, so I always tell people that you should be having, head bath only weekly once and the remaining days when you feel your hair is, greasy, you have to use a dry shampoo. So I completed my Patti's Cherry Blossom dry shampoo. I really love this dry shampoo. I already have restock of this. I have 2 of each, one in this and another variant. There are multiple variants. As per your hair type, you can definitely check it out. So it comes in this spray format. There is hardly anything left. This is just air. So you have to just put it on your scalp and just give it a massage when you feel your hair is getting greasy. So the next one, I am off lately a lot into hair mask. So I completed the Jove's hair mask. I already have a restock of this. I love this hair mask. If someone has very dry hair like me, you can definitely check it out because it contains argan oil, and it also has cocoa butter, and it also has jojoba oil, almond oil. All of those oils nourishes your hair very good. So before having head bath, I apply this hair mask for good before 4 hours. As soon as I wake up, I apply this, and 3-4 hours later I have my bath, and this nourishes your hair so good. So the day you apply hair mask, you can skip on your conditioner. So this is so good, so good, so good. With that, I completed all of my product empties. So you can definitely buy like whatever you like. You can definitely check it out. I highly recommend you guys to consider my opinion and not waste your money. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much if you tuned till the last of this video. I'll be back with more content, more videos. So for that, you have to subscribe to my channel. This is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye, guys.